gospel musician Dinah Asamoah. Yes, and I say we have pictures be on social media of Dinah Asamoah, but her videos and all of that. People are saying, "Hey, Dinah, you say why done is slay mama, why done is slay queen?" Now, the people are speaking, people are talking about her change in costume and everything. So we decided to delve into it and know the reason for the switch because we know that Dinah Asamoah the 50 timer oba oye system nim no had or Shatta 50 tiago so now say cover slate like on your makeups gang Peruvian hair, Mongolian hair, Indian hair, bone straight hair and all those hairs no you hold should be but now saying why they walk different levels. So we tried to find out from Oyeda and Asamoah and Orica there and the manager didn't like her old style of old school dressing. No? So that is the reason why I see was switching it up there. So as you can see on the screen, you can see some beautiful photos of Oya Evangelist Dinah Asamoah. Now, one of the reasons gospel musician Dinah Asamoah changed her way of dressing was her manager's dislike for the old style. Now, according to her, her manager felt uncomfortable moving with her in her old-fashioned style. She told Ike the Unpredictable on Kumasi based Angel FM that she once had the belief that those who go to the hotel or those who go to hotel would go to hell. I remember when I went to one of the foreign countries for a program and my manager showed me my hotel room. I told him I would never sleep in the hotel room because I didn't want to sin against God, she said. I realized that my manager was not happy with my old style of dressing. He felt shy to move with me sometimes, Dinah added. Now, Dinah also admitted that in the past, she condemned ladies who wore wigs, high heels, makeups because she was not mature in Christianity. Now, there are photos of Oyeda and Asamoah's new fashion sense that have been trending in recent times, with most people wondering what could have caused the change. So now you know what caused the change. Internet said 2 years or 3, 4 years, 5 years back, or probably 10 years, 12 years back, you listened to Dinah Asamoah say Abana say Esha wigs, Esha high heels, Esha all these trendy clothings and these new hairs now abana makeup or your bonnet and I also saw Edida and Eddie why you sete. Yeah, why you sete because this Yama Oka in the past near the things she was against in the past Nina in recent times no oyada on oil or practicing Nina. So if I saw a comment on Facebook and it was quite funny, interesting and quite sad at the same time. All of the mixed feelings. It gave me mixed feelings because apparently someone listened to her and I don't know where you basa because us there need their dress but say about Christ in day and need their dress shape chimudu kubia utambia odapam zuma the two fie damna obese the Dinah Asamoah can also did but later on ne husband akafa yeah. Nipa no ya makeup wash Peruvian hair na Mongolian hair na I don't know. This is not to justify what the husband did. I mean, if you don't like someone's sense of fashion or costume, you don't go in for that person. But then that was just by the way in somehow or kokodo or social media Anna. So this is Dinah Asamoah. Now Dinah Asamoah is trending. She has been trending since I started there. Only your makeup on the 8th stay away in the video now. Well, you know, style be, you know, your name style be into some. Hey, God, so, oh, I think Mr. Drew, I crown a bear prophet, what? A bear prophet. You remember that Mr. Drew song? Dre. Hey, Dinah Asamoah, about Nancy Subaya says, aha. Subaya Assassin. Subaya, Dr. Drink, come on, I don't answer. So that's the.